funds that we have in the various government initiatives to be able to create opportunities for young people, and that is why we are deliberate, we are intentional about a plan to create jobs in Kenya. It's the reason why the housing fund is there. It is the reason why we are looking at digital jobs, why we are expanding our fiber optic footprint in Kenya to explore e-commerce, to make more young people get into the space around digital jobs. And all this must be intentional, must be focused, must be thought through so that they benefit the young people that we all intend to support. We cannot leave the youth of this country behind in any project, in any program, or in any sector. It is the responsibility of this ministry to ensure their full participation in every aspect of national development, in every space that's available, in the activities, interventions, programs of every ministry, because youth is the biggest talent that we have, is the biggest asset that we have. I am aware of various policy, legal, and regulatory frameworks under development by the ministry, including the Kenya Youth Development Bill 2023, review of the National Youth Council Act number 10 of 2009, and the Creative Economy Bill, among others. This will ensure that key provisions touching on youth in the Constitution, the Vision 2030 Blueprint, and the Kenya Kwanza Plan are not just realized, but we work towards front-loading and making sure that the interventions are clear, the interventions are available, and the young people are made to participate in a meaningful way. I want to encourage all of us to continue this pace. When I did ask the Ministry of Sports to change the framework, because as we are all aware, the youth, the arts and the Sports and Art Fund had been made to cater for many other things, including provision of other services, provision of health, and many other spaces. And it was too thinly spread across many sectors. I did instruct that we bring back the Sports and Arts Fund and make our sportsmen and women the focus and the center of the Sports and Arts Fund. I am very confident that with that focus, eliminating too much spread across different areas will make it possible for us to make real impact in scaling up the sector that has kept Kenya and the Kenyan flag flying high in many capitals, in many parts of the globe. And again, it is very heartwarming to congratulate our Malaika team. Tuwapigie makofi jameni. Simameni tuwapigie makofi hawa wangwana. Congratulations our Malaika team for your exceptional participation and achievement. You have our support 100% as you represent us and our region and our continent in the Olympics. Once upon a time, I was a volleyballer. So I really take a lot of pride that volleyball is getting to the Olympics and to the world stage. Pongezi. Congratulations. Let me also congratulate the Golden Ladies, Mary Mora here and Faith Kipyegon. Wapige makofi hao warembo jameni. Congratulations Mary. Congratulations times 2, Faith. You ladies are a great asset for our country. You are the reason why Kenya is the best in Africa. And you are the reason why Kenya is number 5, together with your team. And all the others, our medalists from Budapest, can they stand up? Wasimame jameni. Tuwapige makofi. Congratulations, good people. You have done us very proud. And you have our goodwill and support. Congratulations again. And we will stand by you going into the future. Asanteni sana. Every time when our national anthem was played, we felt that we were global leaders in every aspect. And it wasn't me, it wasn't Ababu or any one of us who made that happen. It is you. So you guys are great, and you have our goodwill and support. Pongezi, 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 pongezi sana. And it is the reason why we must keep our focus on our sportsmen and women. They are the reason why Kenya is flying high, and they are the reason why this ministry exists, to deal with our young people and to deal with our sportsmen and women, the arts, and all the other disciplines that make us the nation that we are. So, asanteni sana. It is now my pleasure to declare Talanta Plaza officially commissioned as the headquarters of the Ministry of Youth Affairs, the Arts, and Sports. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Itaomba tuketi sote na nimuombe Mheshimiwa Rais kwa heshima aweze kutulia kwenye jukwaa. May we take our seats kindly. Captains, we come forward now with our teams. Captains, with our teams. Niombe sasa ni Pauline.
We have the four groups which I mentioned. We are going to do it. Malkia Strikers, just hold a moment. Malkia Strikers, wangoje kidogo. We are going to do it in a systematic way. We are going to start with our team to the beach games in Tunisia. And I will ask President of National Olympics Committee, Dr. Paul Targat, together with the Secretary General, to quickly come here and lead the team from the beach games in Tunisia. And we are rewarding our beach handball team that won a silver medal with 1.5 million Kenya shillings. We are rewarding Mark Omumasaba, who won silver medal with 500,000 shillings. We are rewarding our basketball team that won silver with a total of 600,000 shillings. We are rewarding Faith Urasa and Shufarua Changawa with 200,000 shillings for bronze medal in beach tennis. We are rewarding Mathayo Mabahila, bronze medal, 300,000 shillings in wrestling. We are rewarding Lawrence Karanja, who was the coach of the tennis team. We are not leaving you behind, so Coach Lawrence, please come forward. Coach Lina Suashoka of beach wrestling, please come forward. And Felix Ochido, the technical official. All rewards to this team amount to 3.28 million Kenya shillings. Let us have the check for the beach games quickly. The dummy check is consolidated and will be presented to the captain of the team. Captain is right by your side, Your Excellency. Aya, hongera sana. Next, we will reward our team that participated in the Youth Commonwealth Games in Trinidad and Tobago, our youth team. This team won 5 gold medals. Let us give it out to them. 5 gold medals. Kipkurui Josephat Sang, 350,000 shillings. Kipkurui won 2 gold medals, so he received 700,000 shillings twice. Coach Kelvin Kimtai won gold medal in 800 meters, 350,000 shillings. Nancy Cherop won gold in 3,000 meter steeplechase, 350,000. Nancy won another gold medal in 1,500 meter women. She wins another 350,000, that is 700,000 shillings. Alamisi Andrew Kipto, silver in 3,000 meter men, 250,000. Chekemoi Janet Jepkoech, silver in 1,500, 250,000. Mwonga Maundu Titus, silver, 250,000. Ruto Daisy Chepngeich also won 800 meter, 225,000 shillings. Those are finalists. We are rewarding even finalists. Ruto Daisy, Eliud Wambua, and Michael Omondi. Please come forward, all of you that I have mentioned. Together, come here. You will receive a check for 3 million Kenya shillings consolidated for this team. And Your Excellency, this is a youth team, and we believe that really the future belongs in this youth team. Hongera kwenu. May I now ask our team, our Malkia Strikers, the team that has just won the Africa Volleyball Women Championships, and I want to ask the 14 players who won gold, receiving 2.8 million Kenya shillings to the 14-member team and 1.5 million shillings to the team officials. May I ask you, Sasa, together with Mheshimiwa Musa Sirma, to join the Malkia Strikers as they receive their check for 4,450,000 shillings to recognize their sterling performance. Musa, please come up. And Your Excellency, Mheshimiwa Dan Wanyama, the coach. The coach is coming. Coach Bitok is here. Coach, please join the team. Mheshimiwa Dan Wanyama is a brilliant volleyball player in his own right. So he's a legend of this game. Yes, and that is the coach. Yes. Hongera sana. Asante sana. As our team exits, I'll now ask our team Your Excellency, now let me present our team from the World Athletics Championships to Budapest, Hungary. This team won us 3 gold medals, 3 silver medals, and 4 bronze medals, and we reward them with a total of 21,600,000 shillings. We have Faith Kipyegon, who won 2 gold medals, receives 4 million Kenya shillings. Mary Morao receives 2 million Kenya shillings. Emmanuel Wanyonyi, Beatrice Chepkoech, Daniel Simiyu. For silver medals, they win 1.5 million Kenya shillings each. Faith Cherotich, Beatrice Chebet, Jacob Krop, Abraham Kibiwot receive 1 million Kenya shillings each for their bronze medals. All the finalists receive 50,000 Kenya shillings each. All team officials, head of delegation, you should also join this team for a photograph with His Excellency the President. Please join here because you also have your cash reward, all totaling 21,600,000 Kenya shillings. And Your Excellency, let me, in a very special way, congratulate our two incredible girls, Faith Kipyegon and the Kisii Express, Mary Mora. And Your Excellency, in a very special way also, recognize the young Faith Cherotich, the youngest member of this team. Faith, where are you? Faith Cherotich. Faith is not here. Okay. Okay. Ngojeni 1 minute mpokee check tafadhali. Ngojeni, the 10 athletes can wait to receive the check very, very quickly. Mary Mora, Faith, you can take a special photo with His Excellency the President. These are our golden girls. Chairman, you can just step down so that our golden girls can have their moment with His Excellency the President. Let us give a round of applause to these amazing ladies. And Your Excellency, let me also announce here, now that we have a very loaded message for the youth, that we are also set to host the Youth Connect Africa Summit in December, where we'll be advancing further the agenda of young people in this country. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Nitaomba sote sasa tusimame.